Hello. Oh, today I'm headed back to the airport because I have to go to work. So I have to say goodbye to Ariel again. It's so sad. Oh, she looks so sad, doesn't she? She looks so sad. But that's okay. I'm only gonna be gone 3 days. Then I'll be back, right? So I just got to San Diego and my flight was delayed. So my flight was supposed to leave my home airport at 10 p.m. and it didn't leave until nearly midnight. So I was supposed to pick up my rental car at 11:45. Of course, I did not get here until 1:15 or so a.m. So when I got here, the rental place is closed. So I'm on the phone right now with Expedia trying to make sure that if I stay here in nowhere, because I'm just outside for the next 3 hours until the rental place opens, that they will honor the price. Because if they're not going to honor the price, I might as well just get a rental car with another company. So that's my dilemma right now. So I'm back at the airport because, well, it's warmer here instead of standing outside. And I'm just gonna wait for a few hours until the rental car place opens. Oh. The airport's closed, but I'm here. I'm so tired. It is past 2:30 in the morning. I'm exhausted. Hopefully the rental car place opens at 4 a.m. because I have to be at work at 6:30. And it takes an hour and a half to get to my job, so we hope. All right, well, good night for now. Well, it's 4:06. I'm back at the rental car area. The rental car place is still closed. Hopefully they open soon, because I have to be at work. If they don't open soon, I'll have to spend a whole lot of money on a different car at a different company. I haven't slept, I'm exhausted, and I still have a 12-hour shift to work today, so today sucks. All right, everyone, so it is 4:30. I got the rental car. I'm going up there now. So I'm going up there now. She was super sweet. She honored my reservation. I have a little bit of a bigger car, so it cost me a little bit more, but not as much as if I would have just got a car with like a different company last minute. So that was super sweet of her. I really appreciate them at Fox Rental Car. And I am so tired. So it's 4:30. I have to be at work at 6:30. It takes about an hour and a half to get there. So I should be on time for work. So that is really good. Got the car. I got a Kia Soul. It's really, really cute. I kind of like it. I don't know. It's nice. So now I am just headed to work and I will be working off of no sleep. Have you ever been so delayed that you missed something important, or you couldn't get your rental car, you had to sleep in the airport? Anything crazy like that ever happened to you? Let me know in the comments below. I won't feel like I am the only one that this has ever happened to. Made it. I am back in the city where I am working. Time to go. Hello. All right, so I just finished 12 hours of work after that crazy long travel day to get here. I had to work 12 hours. So I am excited. So excited. I am not excited. I'm exhausted. I meant to say exhausted. I am so exhausted and I am ready to go to bed. So I will see you lovely people tomorrow. Bye. All right. I did not vlog at all. I mostly worked a lot. But now I'm headed back to the airport so I can go home. Now I'm just going to drop the rental car off again. And I'm going to head over to the San Diego airport. I'm very fortunate that I only have to work 3 days a week and I get to ride rack up all these frequent flyer miles from all this travel. So that's kind of cool too. Yeah, so let's go to the airport. Bye.
If you're seated in an extra row seat, please review the exit seating requirements on the safety information card and let one of us know right away if you're not qualified or open for the duties listed.